Welcome to the latest and most effective mobile apps video training, designed to take you by the hand and walk you through the process of easily and effectively positioning your offline or online business on mobile apps in no time. We're excited to have you here, and we know this will be very helpful for you and your business. If you know anything about mobile devices, you've probably heard that famous phrase coined by one of the mobile device's most prolific creators, proclaiming that there's an app for pretty much everything. And it's true. But here's a question for you. Is there an app for your business? If not, then it's time to think about creating one, or more. As consumers become more attached to their mobile devices and more demanding about what their mobile devices can provide, and provide quickly, having a mobile app for your business can be a great way to broaden your visibility, increase traffic, and connect with customers and clients. The mobile app is the super step beyond the responsive website. An app is an extension of your product, and it can enhance success if created well. An app can allow you to present your product as a solution to your customer's problem. They are very effective when they leverage the effectiveness of your customer's mobile devices. In other words, the app takes advantage of the device's capabilities to show the user how your business can meet his or her needs. Here are just a few facts about what your business can do with mobile apps. Foster customer relationships. Set up a virtual office. Market cost effectively. Freedom from expensive hardware. Solve information-based problems. With some creativity and a few tools, you can use your business's existing website to create an app that will take your business reach even farther. And unlike a website, an app can take advantage of things like the GPS on a mobile device, its camera, the loads of other features to put people in touch with your business and its products. This video training will explain why an app can be such a great idea for your business and walk you through the process of creating and using that app. Then, when your customers pick up their phones to find you, you can say, "Yes, I have an app for that."